Kulish Fibro, Jim Nam ta ki result giba pemi po ka MPSC Miklia Public Service Commission Lower Lachumer Shillong tekane ki pemi ndu arpunyo tarik September. The result of the interview for the post of data entry operator DEO kaba pelanya du snem arja ka khandai te kinang penlong ke exam hu September arja rapsau te declare menta the name of the successful candidate recommended by the commission are as follow. Shri Rogalton Roy Chen on reserve, but Shri Nikki Donald Rambai on reserve. Te congratulations namta kini arngut kibala yo yakane. Then sakoi berkapus kane pada the result of the interview for the post of assistant engineer electrical under PWD R&B Meghalaya kane pada nadu December arjar huwe conducted by the commission telah conduct kata interview hu arpsau September arjar arpsau telah declare ka result tekadon tangoi kapus te Shri Hilal W Momin dapo garu kategori. Te congratulations ya paro langut kibala long successful namta kini kapus. Tangane higo jemptip. Kulish bun.